Afternoon everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Having said that my last video would be the last one at Allotment, I thought it's such a mild day, I'll come up and show you for one last time this year. So this is the mid-monthly December update. Let's turn the camera around and see what's happening. Well, you can see that bed is unchanged. Still haven't spread the compost, not to worry. Whacked down a load of manure into that zone there the other week after I'd finished doing the film. Just really using the manure to help level up the site a little bit. To that end, I got a little bit more done on that bed as well. Yes, those are the carrots still remaining. Some, well, they're actually still growing, which is amazing, and the size seems to have improved as well. Well, certainly a few that we picked last week, wasn't a lot, but they're definitely still good. I've been up here for about an hour today. Made a start on that bed, which, as you can see, when you actually get a spirit level on the thing and level it up properly, it's a fair way out. I mean, obviously that level is probably exaggerated by the fact that the bed's moved across the 50 centimetre. Got the perennial kale there, looking pretty good. I have cleaned them up a bit whilst I was tidying the bed. At the same time, I ripped out the perpetual spinach just because it was going to be in the way anyway. So that's where the bed's going to come to. On that bed there, just try and get past this area without slipping over. It is particularly muddy. So this bed here, they're all the elephant garlic. Got the back end there, still with the Egyptian walking onions. This zone here hasn't got anything, but I just covered it over just to, well, help protect the soil really from the harsh winter weather. Talking of harsh winter, these Swiss chard are looking decidedly battered, but still pretty good. Perfect time now really, like the autumn into winter, to start making use of these leafy vegetables. So they've been getting used a little bit more. No, I still haven't weeded around the shallots. I have put some canes to try and hold the kale upright, and yes, we've been using a lot more of the kale as well. Said previously, my boys love it just as well, almost like a crisp really. So yeah, that gets used quite a bit, and obviously with the Sunday type roast or as a side dishing or chopped into pasta, works really well. So anyway, we use it a lot. Still plenty going on there. Compost heap nice and full still. Yeah, just muddy mess doing its thing. Had a bit of a move around of things. Finished doing this bed. When did I finish doing that? 2 weeks ago? Yeah, finished this one 2 weeks ago as well. So this one in here, basically we've got two different types of leek. Actually three different types, I take that back, because there's these Bulgarians, the normal one there, and whatever they are. Next year I'm going to find a pen that actually is permanent, despite saying that it's permanent. The one that I've used this year really wasn't. So next year, that's what I need, is a proper permanent marker, or go back to writing in pencil so that I actually know what the varieties are. Anyway, got the leeks, got the fennel. Amazingly, quite a few bits trying to come back into flower again. Crazy. Then we've got the swede there. That bed still to get done. That was the dahlia bed, if you remember, and now I've got these bottom ones done. You can see that we're going to end up with this central path. It looks a bit more obvious. even from coming back. Can now see how it's going to form. So yeah, I'm quite pleased. Well, pleased with the work I've got done so far. Would have obviously, well, should have done it to start with in hindsight, but you know, you evolve these sites. So this bed here is the garlic. They're all looking good now. Onions again looking good. This morning, not this morning, as I'm in the afternoon. This afternoon I've also whacked over some fish blood and bone fertiliser, which is this powder you can see there. Fish blood and bone is an organic feed, so it's not a fast acting one. It will just gradually break down into that soil, and allowing this lot to keep momentum going. Once the weather improves, when we hit February time, it will also help to develop that vital root system that the plants need, which, yeah, we all know that that's essentially what an onion and a garlic bulb are, is a combination of leaf and root. So pretty important. But anyway, just wanted to do this as my final visit, and that's it. So having said my goodbyes last video 2 weeks ago, today is the one. So happy Christmas everyone. Hope you've liked the series. If you've got any questions, then send the questions to me. I'll always do my very best to answer them for you. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the reminder button so don't miss out on the future videos. And I always say it, but just enjoy yourself, have fun, try something different, and well, get that autumn winter preparation done, because hopefully a couple of months we'll be getting cracking on planting out and seed sowing. So it's good to get them jobs done. Till next time, bye for now.